right, Avery. We're a few holes into the lesson here. Kind of hit a little bit of a sideways tee shot, which is good because, you know, in this activity we need to talk about specialty shots, you know, a little bit of course management, learning how to just take your medicine on some holes. And, you know, it's a good hole. This is perfect. We hit our tee shot a little left. We got a par 5 here. You know, roughly 270 to the green here. Avery might have that in the bag. If we let him tee it up again, he would be able to get it there.
Yeah, probably.
So let's, you know, this is a good situation here to kind of talk about. Obviously, we're probably going to have to curve this ball a little bit. So
Looks like it.
intentionally curving the golf ball is a thing that is, you know, I don't think it's taught enough. You know, everybody now hits it pretty straight. But, you know, you hit one sideways, we need to learn what to do to curve this ball. So to hit this shot, I don't know, Robbie, if you want to kind of give a good picture here. We got 270 to the green. Down to the right is water. You know, a little hazard area. You really don't want to be down in there. So really, we're going to have to hit this shot fairly straight and probably curve it right to left 15, 20 yards is what we're trying to do here. We got what club do you have in your hand, and tell me why?
I've just got a 7-iron in my hand.
Okay.
I'm trying to just get it back into play. One my golf coach at college always taught me was once I'm in trouble, get yourself out of trouble. I can find myself back in the fairway. I can find myself in scoring position.
Yeah. I like the 7-iron. I like to have a little bit of loft because we have a pretty terrible lie. You know, 4-iron, 5-iron. I don't think that's enough loft to hit this shot. So now let's start to talk about.
Even he is a good player. I'm going to try and maybe move a little bit of this out of the way.
Okay, there we go.
You got to be very gentle and careful. Definitely not touching the leaves around the ball. Just trying to clean up my lie a little bit. Get myself prepared to hit the shot.
So obviously we're going to try and hit a hook here.
Yeah.
Ball's below your feet.
Yeah, which makes it a little harder to hit a hook
Yep.
in this situation. Ball tends to want to go right off this kind of lie.
So are you going to try, and I could give you my answer, or you give me your answer. We're doing a little bit of setup different, right? We're going to set up to the ball a little bit different than if we're normal. And then are you doing anything with path, doing anything with face to try and get the ball to hook?
100%. I am closing the face.
Okay.
First thing I'm going to do here is aim my face where I want this ball to go, have it hooded.
Perfect.
Then I can take my setup from here. And I'm going to hook it, so I've got to get my body aimed right. My face is close to that. I want this thing to go kind of low, so I'm going to put it back in my stance.
The good part about this shot, we have no trouble left. We can hook this ball.
It as much as I want. As long as I keep the face shut,
Yeah.
it's got to go left.
We can hook it 70 yards if we wanted to.
The thing that makes this golf shot hard is downhill line. This ball wants to work right.
Yep.
How I'm going to prevent some of that is I'm going to add a little bit of squat. I'm going to try and get myself match the slope here. So hood the face, body's a little right.
All right, let's see it. Hook a little more. All right.
Tried
Come
to
on.
move left, but I didn't get quite all
All right.
All right. Yeah.